This is something that I've seen surprisingly often here in Nova Scotia, and it is wood siding installed incorrectly. And this also applies to fiber cement siding. This would be relevant if you're thinking of hiring a siding installer and looking at their past work. Or if you happen to see new construction with this, which should raise red flags about the builder. But look at where the dormers meet the roof. At that point, you'll see the section where the siding will meet the shingles. This siding should never be in contact with the shingles. All wood and cement fiber siding manufacturers will spec a gap, usually about 2 inches. Why? This is to avoid the water from the roof wicking into the siding or saturating the lower part of the siding. This would lead to rot or deterioration. Vinyl siding can't rot and therefore doesn't have this issue, so it's generally okay for it to be closer. But I see this practice constantly. If you look at nearly every 15-plus-year-old home in Glen Arbor with wood siding and dormers, it has this issue. It seems people just ignore best practice, but it's also literally in the instructions. Take, for example, this instruction manual, which shows and mentions the need for a 2-inch gap twice between the bottom of the siding and the roof. Then look at the picture where it shows the installed product. And it's installed improperly as there is no 2-inch gap. And in about 10 years or so, that will rot out. But now you know this and what to look for. So be sure to choose a contractor or builder who's able to follow instructions, because even if the siding has a good warranty, it will not cover siding that isn't installed according to the instructions. And if you're thinking of buying or selling, feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the description. Goodbye.